Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the integral. We have the integral of tan x minus theta, tan x plus theta, tan 2x dx. So I will show you the technique how to answer the question. We need to put about tan capital A equal to sine capital A over cosine capital A. We need to change everything tan into sine and cosine. Next, we have cosine A plus B equal to cosine A multiplied with cosine B minus sine A multiplied with sine B. So we will have sine A multiplied with sine B equal to cosine A cosine B minus cosine A plus B. So we will apply this formula for sine this one. Sine x minus theta multiplied with sine x plus theta in here. So you got about cosine A is about x minus theta. So we have cosine 2x in here. So we multiply with sine 2x in this one and cosine 2x. Next, we separate them into two integrals. Now, the first one we have cosine x minus theta, cosine x plus theta, divide with this one. So we simplify that should be about the integral of sine 2x over cosine 2x dx. On the right, we have cosine 2x and we have cosine 2x. We simplify together and you just got about sine 2x over this one. Next, we have this one equals to we don't use this one, sorry. So we have sine A multiplied with sine B cosine b. So we got about 1 over 2 multiplied with sine a plus b, and we have sine a minus b. So we just apply this formula for sine qx. That's about this one. A, B, so S plus S, you got about 2S. Later that we have sine this one minus this one, so you got about negative 2 theta. So we have negative in here, we put in here. Next, we multiply both sides with number 2. So we move this one in here. As you can see that we cannot use this way, so we use the next formula. So we have sine 2s equal to sine s plus theta plus s minus theta. You will go about sine s plus theta cosine s minus theta plus cosine s plus theta multiplied with sine s minus theta. So we put this one in here, and now we can get about 2 integrals in here. This one, we have cosine s minus theta. Simplify for this one, you will get about this one over this one. Similar for the second one. And now we can get the final answer. The integral of sine 2s over cosine 2s dx, you will get about negative 1 over 2 ln of cosine 2s. That's about natural law in here. Similar, the integral of sine s plus theta over cosine s plus theta, you will got about ln. In here we have the negative, so we got about positive cosine s plus data. Similar for the last one. And this is the final answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching.